मेरी कोडिंग शुरू हो गई है फर्स्ट सेम से.
Through our subjects, we are connected to the real world scenarios.
I can perform well in co-curricular sports.
90% of the campus people knows me. We have a lot of clubs in our college as well.
Curriculum is also evolved on the basis of Sunstone only.
Sunstone will provide a good amount of scholarship.
Hi, I am Manvi. I am from Delhi. Currently, I am pursuing B.Tech CSE and I am in second sem in VGU Jaipur.
Hello, good afternoon. Myself Apoorva and I am from UP Kanpur, and currently I am pursuing B.Tech in second year.
I got to know about Sunstone via my relatives, and I chose B.Tech because I was always fantasized by the tech world. And in tech world, there will be so many innovations and AI, data security, so many things. So that's why I chose B.Tech.
I got to know about Sunstone through the website itself, and my father was once scrolling down his phone, and then he got to know about that, and then he told me about this, and then further we did all the research and all.
जैसे फर्स्ट सेम से हमारे जो भी टीचर्स हैं वो सारे इंडस्ट्री वाले हैं, like they have worked for the corporate previous years and now they are teaching us coding. So they have been through that phase and now they are working. So as they are helping us to learn and all, and the curriculum is also evolved on the basis of Sunstone only. So that like I am in the first year और मेरी कोडिंग शुरू हो गई है फर्स्ट सेम से.
Being a second year student, we have explored a lot of subjects in Sunstone till now. The most exciting thing about the curriculum is that the scheduling of the courses and subjects are very flexible, and it is related to the today's world. Means we are through our subjects we are connected to the real world scenarios. So yeah, I think, and this is the privilege that we usually get when we come to this organization particularly. If we talk about the programs that are conducting in the colleges, first that is hackathons. We have for pro coders who want to build a new website or any live projects. Then we have ACIC, that is truly dedicated to the startups. The students who want to do startups or have a great idea to pursue in future, they can go for it and opt for it. And rest we have the annual fests, means the co-curriculars are fantastic in the college.
इन कॉम्पिटिशन से फर्स्ट तो हमारी नेटवर्किंग बढ़ती है. हम कॉलेज में सिर्फ पढ़ाई करने के लिए नहीं आए, हमारी नेटवर्किंग होती है. हम सेकंड सीनियर से मिलते हैं, हम पास आउट से मिलते हैं, हम उन लोगों से मिलते हैं जो ऑलरेडी स्टार्टअप्स कर चुके हैं, जिनके वेल एस्टैब्लिश्ड स्टार्टअप्स हैं. तो फर्स्ट इज वॉज दिस. देन लाइक अभी डिज़ाइनथॉन्स हुए थे, तो उसमें डिज़ाइनथॉन में हमें पूरा प्रोडक्ट डिज़ाइन करना था. तो उसमें भी जो लोग ऑलरेडी एक्सपीरियंस कर चुके हैं सब, उनसे नेटवर्किंग में हेल्प होती है.
And I think these kind of programs help us to develop our skills, both our technical as well as our professional skills. And we have a lot of clubs in our college as well, where we can participate. We have Sunstone clubs also, where we can participate and show our creativity to our mentors. And yeah, the skills are very important that help us to grow and give a new mindset to an individual. I was a non-computer background student, so yeah, obviously when I saw the subjects, first semester was just basic physics, chemistry and mathematics, but next on when we proceeded to coding and all, yeah, slight inconvenience was there while studying, but then we managed to do that now. And if we talk about socially, yeah, there are problems. Means people come from diverse cultures and different places. So yeah, but it was fine. But if we talk about academics, yeah, it was a bit difficult and challenging to cope up with the other students, as many of them were from the computer background as well. So to cope up with them was a little bit challenging, but we managed to do that.
When I joined B.Tech, I was a student who has never gone up on stage or performed in any such competitions, whether it is curricular or co-curricular. So, and if I see now, like it was just a year back. I mean, currently I am ending my first year. So yeah, there are many changes. Now I can speak up, I can perform well in academics, I can perform well in co-curricular sports as well. So yeah, there are multiple changes. I would say they are all for the better.
Okay, so it's been 1.5 years that I've spent my college life here. And I think all the failures and success have made me a more stronger individual. When I was in school, I was also I was the part of the stage. It was not like that I haven't gone on the stage ever in my life. I went, but it was a huge gap, I would say. Like 5 to 6 years, I was completely off from the stage in my school life. Then once when I came to this college, it was like a mess. Means where to go? There are so many clubs, there are so many people, connections, networking, whom to work with. But gradually I understood how the philosophy of people works, and I think now it has been that nearly 90% of the campus people knows me, whether it is faculty or students or mentors. It is just because I have networked through people, talked to people, and made myself a better individual, and I'm still working on it to be the one.
Sunstone app helps with us for a lot of things. We can submit assignments there. हमें एक दो अलग अलग टीचर्स के पास जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. असाइनमेंट्स वहीं पे सबमिट हो जाएंगे. क्विज़ेस हम वहाँ पे अटेम्प्ट कर सकते हैं. हमारी अटेंडेंस वहाँ पे लग जाती है. ऑल्सो द अपडेट्स आते रहते हैं. टाइम टेबल, वी कैन सी आवर टाइम टेबल्स देयर. सो या, इट मेक्स आवर लाइफ इजी.
We have a separate application for the students. Means it is not directly involved with the college application. So it gives a lot of advantages to the students, like the attendance update you can get day to day, and if you want to raise some issue regarding your attendance, that is also available in the application itself. Then we have ACE Academy in the app, which is very helpful for the to apply for different types of courses, that is tech as well as non-tech. So yeah, it's very beneficial. Yeah, I got scholarship on my 10th and 12th basis, which will renew in the last, I guess, 7th semester. So yeah, it is a great opportunity. Then we have EMI options, then we have loan options also. If the student has scored above 95, I guess it should be 80%. I think I got somewhat 30. I don't remember exactly the number, but yeah, if the student is great, means Sunstone will provide a good amount of scholarship to that person. It's the AI world now, and every minute the things are changing, and you will have opportunities to show your talent. And second thing, in your 4 years, I think you need to enjoy your college life, everything, but you need to be hardworking and consistently working throughout your 4 years.